Did you know that the price of Tesla stock is about to hit $10,000? As per Chamath Palihapitiya, a number of experts have given Tesla shares extraordinarily high valuations, which tends to incite people who feel that the EV company's stocks are expensive. Continue to tune in and observe to see what Palihapitiya has to say. By the end of the year, Tesla hopes to have increased vehicle deliveries, and it appears that most of the production-related concerns have been resolved. Should that occur, the company's earnings will skyrocket, leading to a substantial increase in the stock price of the company. Watch today's video to learn how Chamath Palihapitiya predicts that Tesla stock will soon hit $10,000. Tesla's stock has increased by more than 20,000% since the company went public in 2010. This growth has easily outpaced the market overall, often shattering Wall Street's projections and making early investors into billionaires. Tesla's share price skyrocketed by more than 700% even after the COVID-19 epidemic struck the world in 2020, surprising investors and devoted followers while confounding many seasoned Wall Street analysts. During Tesla's historic 2020 climb, short sellers lost $38 billion. Tesla has surpassed auto giants like Toyota and Ford to become the most valuable automobile company in the world because to that incredible growth. Because of his substantial ownership in the company, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla for 13 years, now holds the title of richest person on the planet. According to a statement made by Chamath Palihapitiya, Tesla stock has a promising future and could potentially double or even triple in value in the next years. According to him, this is consistent with Tesla's present position in the stock market. Originally from Sri Lanka, Chamath Palihapitiya is a Canadian and American venture capitalist, engineer, SPAC sponsor, founder, and CEO of Social Capital. From 2007 to 2011, he had a senior executive position at Facebook. He is the CEO and creator of Social Capital, according to CNBC, whose goal is to improve society by finding solutions to the most difficult issues facing the planet. Palihapitiya is placed 2378 on Forbes' list of billionaires for 2021 with an estimated net worth of about $1.2 billion as of April 2021. Social Capital was established to make investments in businesses and industries including health, finance, and education that other venture capitalists were passing over. Since then, the business has grown to include investments in internet startups, including Slack, Tesla, and Amazon. Palihapitiya previously stated in an interview with Kelly Evans on CNBC that Tesla's included trade idea is a 5-year convertible bond that carries the negative risk of a bond but permits 95% of the possible upside of stocks. He sees this as a call option for one of the wealthiest businessmen on the planet. He continued by saying that the aforementioned convertible bond yielded 5.5% when he first started purchasing it, and that, as he views Tesla CEO Elon Musk as a friend, he is ready to place a wager on the businessman. Evidence, however, indicates that Palihapitiya is a wise investor who does not make decisions based solely on the recommendation of close friends. This suggests that he believes in Tesla's stock prospects, not simply his Paul Musk. Palihapitiya, like other seasoned and well-respected financial experts, is of the opinion that the Tesla brand is valuable and has the potential to achieve more success. Indeed, they think Tesla is headed toward demonstrating precisely that. The stock price trading value has now stabilized following several days of negative values. To the surprise of its owners, it is displaying positive figures. Despite some investors selling their shares and losing faith in the company, Palihapitiya, a strong advocate of Tesla, maintains his bullish outlook on the stock. He even took part in a sell-off a few months following Tesla's optimistic prognosis. While Palihapitiya sold his Tesla shares in 2021 at the peak of the stock, it should be recalled that he had earlier in the year predicted a significant disruption to the electricity utilities and that trillions of dollars worth of bonds, capital expenditures, and value were resting in the world's infrastructure for energy generation, an infrastructure he believed would be turned upside down. Tesla's value will double and then quadruple if this doesn't occur. Do you believe that a $10,000 price for Tesla shares is feasible? Post your ideas in the space provided for comments below. Given that Tesla is a clean energy company with the potential to dominate the fossil fuel sector, the company's stock is expected to outperform in the long run, providing a greater chance for profits to reach $10,000. Palihapitiya claims that this raises the question of why he sold his Tesla stock later that year. Some investors wondered if he had lost faith in the brand, just like others. In response, he said he did this to shift his money around and not have an unlimited flow of cash, which could be interpreted as an agreement or a denial. He went on to say that he sold his Tesla stock in order to invest in other companies and that he develops ideas and then plans how to finance them. There are grounds to think Tesla is a wise investment, even though some people still maintain that the stock is overpriced. First off, the business has a sizable market share in the rapidly expanding electric vehicle sector. Even though additional businesses are joining the market, Tesla has managed to hold its market share. Second, compared to firms like Rivian, Lucid, and NIO, Tesla offers a number of advantages. Tesla is able to produce and sell cars more quickly than most manufacturers because it has operations in China, the US, and Germany, as well as manufacturing sites in the most significant markets in the sector. Third, Tesla has the framework required to be successful in the electric vehicle market. Its supercharger network is the largest to start. It is crucial to have that network since range anxiety is real. The fact that Tesla is the only profitable firm in the EV sector makes its shares an excellent investment as well. It will take a while for others, like Lucid and Rivian, to turn a profit. Above all, Tesla boasts the most sophisticated software available on the market. David Jones, chief market strategist at Capital.com, commented on Tesla's expected stock price. This month has seen a broad uptick in optimistic sentiment in stock markets. The appeal of high-growth companies like Tesla should increase if investors start to embrace risk again and the world's stock markets cease declining. As per Wallet Investors' 2022 Tesla stock estimate, the company may conclude the year at 946.42 in mid-July. In the future, the stock was predicted by the algorithm-based forecasting service to rise back beyond 1,000, reaching 1305.60 at the end of 2023 and 1675.99 at the end of 2024. According to its 2025 Tesla stock estimate, the stock would close the year at 2037.64. Its 5-year prediction for the price of Tesla shares indicates that the stock might reach 3,715 in June 2027. There was no 2030 Tesla stock projection offered by Wallet Investor. Keep in mind that analyst and algorithm-based estimations can be off when examining Tesla stock estimates. They are predicated on an examination of the historical price of Tesla shares. It is acceptable to state that results in the past do not always translate into the future. Having said that, it's crucial to carry out independent study, keep up with EV market developments, and examine Tesla charts. Your willingness to trade is influenced by your tolerance for risk, level of market knowledge, portfolio spread, and comfort level with losing money. Only after thorough due research has been completed and taking into account each trader's individual risk tolerance, financial objectives, income, employment status, and other relevant aspects, should an investor decide whether to purchase Tesla stock. Furthermore, Tesla is a trailblazer in the production of electric cars and is quickly rising to the top of the autonomous vehicle market. Based on your personal research and risk tolerance, you should determine if Tesla stock is a good investment for you. It is always advisable to trade no more than you can afford to lose. Overall, because Tesla was able to keep up its position as a top producer of electric vehicles, EVs, Chamath Palihapitiya thinks the firm will grow more than tenfold from here. Other reputable and experienced experts and investors continue to maintain their bullish view on Tesla, despite the fact that it was claimed that several investors, including Palihapitiya himself, sold their Tesla holdings. According to Goldman Sachs Wall Street analyst Mark Delaney, Tesla not only defeated the odds but also managed to maintain its lead in EVs as it continued to rise despite the pandemic. For more content about Tesla stocks, don't forget to watch our other videos and hit the like and subscribe buttons.